First, thank the International Table Tennis Federation for giving India the opportunity to host the WTT Star Contender Table Tennis Tournament. I think this is one of the biggest events in the table tennis which India is hosting. More than 200 plus star players from across the world has participated. 200 plus officials. And it also gave an opportunity to Indian players, 40 plus Indian players participated in this. So I think here is the learning for the Indian table tennis players also. The young players who want to pick up table tennis as their career, and also India to show that we are ready to host such big tournaments in the future as well. We hosted the FIFA Women Under 17 Football World Cup, FIDE Chess Olympiad, and many such prestigious tournaments in the past. But in the field of table tennis, I am grateful that you have given us this opportunity to organize the event. And I am glad to hear the reviews and the feedback from across the countries that they are very happy. The President International Table Tennis Federation is here, and the Asian Table Tennis Council President was also here, and their other colleagues, which has given a very good feedback about the venue, organizing, and the team who was behind it. I also like to thank the Goa government for giving the full support, and I also congratulate Mr. Malik, Ms. Megha and others for putting in their efforts from Stupa side. It was a big event for them to host, but they have done it successfully. My congratulations to them.
Vice Chair President, I'm of course very proud to be here. And International Table Tennis Federation is the biggest federation in the world in terms of member associations. My choice to come here to India and to Goa to attend this event was of course because I was hoping that it would be a new era and a new level of event, and so it was. I'm very thankful that also the sports minister here shows his presence, because it also means a lot for the generation of new table tennis players growing up, dreaming big, seeing the superstars here, and I'm sure they go back home Monday morning and want to practice table tennis, which is a great achievement. So I'm very, very happy, and as I have said very many times, when the players and the athletes are happy, I am happy, and they had a really good time here in Goa, India, and together we look forward to many more events here. So thank you so much.
Last year, Gujarat hosted the National Games. It was a grand success. Now Goa is up and ready to host the National Games, which will give thousands of players an opportunity to participate, perform, and go up the ladder. Make new national records, broke records, and also they will be the platform to be there and be the future of India. So I think Goa is ready to do that. The RDXGOA team is already here. They have done the right thing.
Can the center ensure that the games are more time?
National games are of great importance. And as I said, for any sportsman, even 1 year is of great importance for them. That can make their career or can break their career. So it's very important for them to have regular games and competition and events so that they can showcase their performance. They can showcase this caliber. And I'm grateful that Goa is ready to host the National Games. The IUA team is already here to do the inspections. They will file their report, and after this grand success of the WTT event, World Table Tennis event, I'm sure they will be up and ready to host many in future. खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स मध्य प्रदेश में बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुआ है, और खेलो इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स मई के पहले हफ्ते में उत्तर प्रदेश में होने वाला है, और पहले की तरह भव्य भी होगा, और बहुत सारे नए रिकॉर्ड भी बनेंगे, और बहुत सारे नए खिलाड़ी भी उससे उभर कर आएंगे।
गोवा में होने की बड़ी संभावना है।
खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बना है खिलाड़ियों के लिए, और हमने प्रयास किया है कि हर बार किसी नए राज्य में हो, और चाहे खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स हो, यूनिवर्सिटी गेम्स हो या विंटर गेम्स हो, प्रतिवर्ष हजारों खिलाड़ियों को खेलने का अवसर मिलता है। लेकिन जैसा मैंने पहले कहा, WTT का ये जो टूर्नामेंट है, जिसमें स्टार खिलाड़ी दुनिया भर के 200 से ज्यादा खिलाड़ी, रैंक खिलाड़ी नंबर 1 से लेके पहले 200 रैंक्स में आने वाले यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं। ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है भारत की इसको करवाना। 40 से ज्यादा भारत के खिलाड़ियों का इसमें भाग लेना एक अवसर मिला अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाने का, और दिखा कि कहाँ पे दुनिया के साथ कम्पीट करना है। और गोवा ने शानदार इसका आयोजन स्तूपा के साथ किया है, और मैं बहुत यंग टीम है लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत शानदार यहाँ पर काम किया, उसके लिए भी उनको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ, और टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन को भी।